Now let's learn our 12 times table. 0 times 12 is 0. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 12 is 24, because if we have two groups of 12 counters, we have 24 counters altogether. So here we can see 2 10s and 4 1s. 3 times 12 is 36, because if we have three groups of 12, we have 36 counters altogether. 4 times 12 is 48. 5 times 12 is 60. 6 times 12 is 72. 7 times 12 is 84. 8 times 12 is 96. 9 times 12 is 108. 10 times 12 is 120. 11 times 12 is 132. And 12 times 12 is 144.